So I wanted to share a technique today to work on your own head pressure, tension headaches, relieving some pressure in our heads. So finding a comfortable seat, someplace that you can rest your elbows on a table or a desk. I'm sitting at the desk. Elbows are just rested. They can be a little bit wider depending on how high your chair is and how far you need to be. Making kind of 2 pointer fingers, and we're going to rest them just the side of the eye, so kind of right in that little crease, just allowing yourself to sink into your own skin. Not that you're sinking or pulling, but we're just going to rest on the skin itself. So you're kind of just sinking in, and allow yourself to soften. One side might feel higher, one side might feel more dense to you. You can even close your eyes and get a sense of what you're feeling. My right side is tighter than my left just today. So kind of just sinking into that tissue, allowing it to soften. And then you want to feel like you're going back to the base of your head, but you're not really giving it any pressure. So allowing yourself to sink in. We're not pulling back and stretching our skin, but just letting it soften, almost that like you wanted to face plant into the table as if you were falling asleep as a kid in school, reading a book in class, just letting kind of gravity help take you forward. And wait for the tissue to soften and release as you feel our hands work through that tissue. So you're softening, allowing yourself to stay with it for 3 to 5 minutes, softening your eyes, allowing yourself to relax into it a bit more. Once you feel like the movement has finished or stopped, you can take your fingers off, kind of dry them if they're a little bit oily. Coming back to that same starting position, softening in, you're going to come forward with it. Not that you're taking your head back, but using gravity a little bit, just that you're kind of sitting back. So softening into that space, closing your eyes down again if you need to, and then you're just gently coming forward. You're not sliding or gliding on the skin. You're staying sectioned into it, and then you're just coming forward, lifting. And again, just quieting breath, softening into sensation. So mine kind of want to go up, right, down, left. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Slightly. They're coming back to center. And a little bit of forward pull. So again, we're just compressing in side of the eye, sinking into that clay. We're letting our head kind of just droop. We're using gravity a little bit so that there's a posterior pull, waiting for the movement to settle. Drying your fingers, same position, softening in, and then coming forward with it, so more of a lift. And that just kind of gets all of your cranial bones to settle, the flow of your head to re-regulate, and hopefully take away some of your tension. Hope this is helpful.